7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, so the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Gonna give her a walk to 1.5 left. Drape on 1. Bring the arm back over on 2 as we hook. We're gonna go back to back on 3. We're gonna finish it and do a right turn. 5, keep the left hand down, go on the right. 6, start stepping across on 7. So now on 1, I'm gonna be pulling with the left as the right hand goes over for a Copa. 1, bring her forward on 2, turn her on 3. We're gonna grab the shoulder with our left hand. 5 to stop her as we prep her on 6, 7. Now we're going to be turning her half turn on 1. Now we're going to be pushing her frame on 2. So she's going to be turning to the left on 2, 3. I'm going to be stepping with her 5, holding a 6, 7 here. So now on 1, I'm going to be giving her a Copa, offsetting her 1. I'm going to be bringing her into my right hand on 3. So now on 4, I'm going to be setting across 4. I'm going to hold the 5. Now I'm going to be rotating my frame to the right. So she's going to go with me. And 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7. Start with the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We're going to do an inside turn. So 1, 2, turn 3, 5, 6, 7. Copa. 1, 2, 3 into a prep. 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to unwind this prep and end up in another prep on the other side. Let's have a turn on 1. See, we're prepping on this side too. Now we're going to turn, step on the left foot on 2, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We're going to do our normal 6, 7. Now on 1, we're going to pump forward. 1, replace your weight on the left on 2, 3. Now on 4, you're going to step forward. 4. 5, you're going to step forward again. 5, now you're going to replace your weight back on the left on and 6, 7, as you switch, back to cross by lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
What's up guys, it's Scott from Casa Salsa. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you click the subscribe button right here so you're able to stay updated with all of our videos to come. And also make sure you check out our website in the description below so you can have more access to exclusive content and even take a live class with us. See you there.